Meaning of He-Man.
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 He-Man. The term He-Man is typically used to describe a man who is physically strong, brave, and courageous, often with a muscular physique. It originated in the early 20th century as a reference to characters in adventure stories. The term has since evolved to connote an idealized form of masculinity that is tough, resilient, and unyielding. However, it can also have negative connotations, such as being associated with toxic masculinity and gender stereotypes. In summary, He-Man describes a man who is perceived as strong and heroic but can also perpetuate harmful societal norms.